In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add captions to your videos using CapCut on your PC. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently create and style your own captions, making your content more accessible, engaging, and honestly, just that much more professional. Let's jump right in. First, we need to open up CapCut. It's a popular video editing software, and if you haven't downloaded it yet, you'll want to do that before you get started. Once you're in, look for the Create New button, usually front and center on the home screen. Go ahead and click that. This is how you start a brand new project. Then, you'll be prompted to select a template, or start with a blank canvas. For captions, it's best to select blank. That gives you a fresh workspace, with no distractions or preset edits to worry about. Now you're ready to bring in your video. Just open up the video file you want to add captions to. Most folks do this by dragging the file directly into CapCut, but you can also use the import buttons if you prefer. The key is to make sure your video is placed on the timeline at the bottom of the screen so you can see exactly how the captions will sync. Once your video is loaded, look over to the right side of CapCut's interface and find the text button. It usually stands out with a big T. Click on it. This opens up all the text options, and from here you have several ways to add your captions. You can type your own custom text. Just choose either Add Heading if you want big, bold captions at the top, or Add Body Text if you prefer something a bit subtler. Type in what you want your caption to say. It could be a speaker's dialogue, a description, or any info to make your video clearer. If you want a bit more flair, CapCut also provides trending text options below. These are pre-made styles and animations that are popular right now. You can click on one you like, and CapCut will automatically add it to your timeline. This is great if you're in a hurry or just want a caption style that visually pops. Okay, now that the caption is added, let's adjust it so it fits perfectly with your video. This next part is really important. You'll use the timeline along the bottom of the screen. The text appears as a colored bar, and you can drag the edges of this bar to the right to make the caption last longer, or to the left to shorten how long it appears. Take your time here. Matching the timing of the caption with what's spoken or shown in the video can make a huge difference. If you're captioning dialogue, try to keep the timing close so viewers can follow along easily. If it helps, think of each caption like a puzzle piece that you're fitting into place. Finally, let's talk about positioning. Sometimes you'll want your caption at the top, other times at the bottom, or maybe even off to the side for emphasis. In the preview window, just click and drag your caption box to wherever you want it. This makes sure your text isn't blocking any important visuals. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get just right. Experiment until it looks good to you. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have captions that not only look great, but also make your videos more accessible and user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another CapCut trick you want to learn. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.